Ginger. How much ginger to consume? Fresh ginger, up to 4 grams of fresh ginger daily, is generally considered safe for most adults. Dried ginger, up to 1 gram of dried ginger daily, is typically safe. Pregnant women should limit ginger intake to no more than 1 gram per day. Who can benefit from ginger? People with nausea or digestive issues. Ginger is known for its anti-nausea and digestive properties and can be beneficial for those experiencing nausea, indigestion, or bloating. Individuals with inflammatory conditions. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce inflammation in conditions like arthritis. Healthy adults. For most healthy adults, consuming ginger in moderation as part of a balanced diet can be beneficial. Who should avoid ginger? Pregnant women. While ginger can help with nausea, pregnant women should consult their healthcare provider before using ginger as a supplement, as high doses may increase the risk of miscarriage. People with bleeding disorders. Ginger may increase the risk of bleeding, so individuals with bleeding disorders or taking blood-thinning medications should avoid it or use it cautiously. Underweight individuals. Ginger can stimulate digestion and reduce appetite, so underweight individuals or those struggling with eating disorders should avoid it or use it in moderation. Effects of ginger on the brain. Antioxidant effects. Ginger contains antioxidants that may help protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation, which are linked to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Improvement in cognitive function. Some studies suggest that ginger may improve cognitive function and memory, though more research is needed in this area. Cheers to better health. Embrace the benefits of ginger today.